I would actually like to bug them for a little bit, as I can do so well. If you ride a motorbike, you're fair game. I will bug you. Can I ask you a question?
Sure, what is it?
So this was the originating part of Los Angeles, was it not?
This is the birthplace. This is the birthplace of Los Angeles.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a camera. You're being recorded.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's why I'm kind of wearing this god-awful hot thing.
This is the birthplace of Los Angeles.
So how old was it a village before or what?
Beginning of the 1600s, the first Mexican families arrived here to California. They settled themselves in this small valley that they call El Pueblo de Los Angeles.
Okay, El Pueblo. What does that mean?
19 families from Mexico, from the north part of Mexico, Sonora, Baja California Norte, Chihuahua, Sinaloa, Durango, and Zacatecas. They came to this little place that they call El Pueblo de Los Angeles.
Very cool.
At that time, those 19 families, they worked hard in order to, years later, the first Chinese community right here.
Yeah.
4 Chinese people.
Okay.
Worked together with Mexicans, and then Italians come.
Oh, okay.
Settlements of the city of Los Angeles.
So they must
Mexicans, Chinese, and Italians.
Very cool. So they must.
And together by the San Gabriel Valley River, together with the mission,
Okay.
makes the life go on.
Gotcha. So they must all started off as farmers then.
Is it?
They must all started off as farmers.
Yeah.
Okay. And so what year was that when the 19 families first stopped here?
By the 1600s.
1600s. Okay. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
And there's a lot of culture.
Yes.
A lot of culture that brings the Mexican heritage to the people that visit this place.
Very cool. Thank you for your time. Yes, what is that up ahead of us? Yeah, gotta be a Harley. Pipe design, rear end, I think it's a Harley. Name that bike before we get up beside it. And I gotta say, California and splitting traffic, it's gonna make it hard for me to bug people at intersections. So I might have to come up with a new plan for stories from the seat while in LA. Yeah, gotta be a Harley. It's got the Harley rumble. Come on, man. Okay, I just can't do this. Cool boots though. Oh, Honda? Yeah, I don't think this guy's a splitter, so we might be able to bug him. Okay, get a neutral. How you doing? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Up from Canada. Loving the weather.
Oh, yeah?
Don't you find that hot?
Oh, I've had it since high school.
Oh.
Daytona Beach.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, God, this is mesh.
Yeah. What's this?
It's actually a camera.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Yeah, notice up there, I got a few of them.
Yeah.
Having a lot of fun bombing around Los Angeles.
Oh yeah, it's pretty nice, especially with this weather.
Yeah, where I come from, we never see blue sky like this. It's always cloudy.
Yeah.
So,
Where's from Canada?
Alberta, Calgary, Alberta.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So how do you like riding a bike around Los Angeles?
Oh, I like it just fine. I used to commute. I mean, having something like yours would be better because you cutting in and out of traffic.
You got her.
Easier.
Yeah.
But I'm from the Midwest, so this is kind of more what I'm used to.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Nice bike though.
Okay, thanks. You're great too.
Thank you. I don't know how people drive cars in here, man.
No, it's not.
It is. So
the only place I'm a little scared to go is on the highway with this. People get real aggressive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta admit, I'm an aggressive asshole myself. You take care. Okay. Mom was assuming a new rider. Hey, do you know where Steve McQueen's star is?
I don't.
No idea. You're just out here making money.
Yeah, well, or not making money.
If you could have told me where the star was, you would have made some money. I love being totally different. Did you like it?
Go to camera, right?
4 of them.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4. R1 Chronicles YouTube.
Wow.
Look for the new videos. They're better than my old ones.
I see.
Hey, have you seen Steve McQueen's star?
No.
No?
No, not yet.
It's the only star I want to get. He used to ride motorbikes.
Yeah.
Time to get out of here. Thank you.
Got it, man.
Running cameras on my bike, so it was a nice little opportunity to get that sign in the background.
I got a VFR 800.
Nice.
The old man's, what is it? Touring? How's this thing treating you? Yeah. No way.
Yeah.
How many miles?
Came, what was that? 3,500 kilometers.
How long?
It's been about 4 days, but I've been taking my time and doing exactly this, meeting people.
Great.
I got away 2 weeks without the wife.
Oh my. Lucky you.
So she was really nice to me there.
This will be the first and last, right?
Yeah, no, that's right. That's right.
I wanted to do this, but go south.
Yeah. Oh, well, this is south for me.
Yes. I wanted to go check out the Americas, you know?
Gotcha.
Yes, awesome.
Wouldn't you be a little worried to take a bike down there?
Whatever. If I lose it, I just get on a plane and come back. Just a piece of metal.
Yeah.
It's my 9th motorcycle. I've been riding since I was 16. I've had 9 accidents, you know. You grind your ankle bone down recently? Oh! Where's your boots?
I used to race motocross.
Okay.
So I started when I was a little kid.
Yeah, I got an ankle bone that looks like that. And a big Star Trek scar here from the handlebar digging in.
Oh, okay.
And, all these teeth. No, I mean 9 accidents. I hit a human being doing 40 miles and a drunk dude running across the street in LA.
You're lucky.
Yeah. He's lucky. You know, I hit him with like a third of the motorcycle, broke his arm and his leg.
Oh.
Incredible.
Oh, a walking human.
Dude was drunk, leaving a pool hall, eating a burrito, running across 6 lanes of traffic, and I nailed him. Doing like 40.
Way.
Yes, because I tried to go around. He stopped in the street and he took a bite, and I thought he was waving me by. And then at the last second he starts walking, and I'm right here. The curb is there with the parking meters, so I speed up, and then he starts to run at the last second. I had a passenger on the back of an FZR 600, and I hit him doing 40 with about a third of the bike, and when I opened my eyes up, I was like this. And then my friend pulls me off. We land in the street. The bike starts spinning. About 100, 200 yards down the road, there's 3 dudes, 2 standing in the street, 1 standing on the curb. Dude looks over, sees my bike come for him, he steps up on the curb and it slams right underneath the pickup. I could have taken out 2 people that night.
Wow.
You know, this is, remember when Ninja came out?
Yes, I do.
Like half the people got it, died, or...
Yeah, well, that was even back in the old days when the Cowies came out with their KZs, you know.
500.
Yes.
You could ride a wheelie. That was one of the first bikes you actually get up.
That's right. Wheelie almost in any gear, too.
Yeah. Good motorcycles.
They were.
Yeah.
They were.
I remember the old Yamaha RD 350s.
Loved those. Almost bought one.
Did you?
I wanted to race one.
2-stroke or something, you know?
Yeah, that's right. And what I really wanted to do, I just couldn't afford it back when I was a kid. I wanted the FZ 750, but that would have cost me $10,000. The pieces would have cost me $20.
Oh. Yeah,
so
makes sense.
No, I just couldn't race. Too expensive.
Yeah, plus, you know.
And I'd had my fun on dirt bikes, eh? Couple years, 125 schoolboy class, so...
So, tell me, how fast have you gotten this beautiful thing to go?
Okay, you won't. This is we're off the record.
Brothers, right?
Okay.
150. Okay, 165. Is that kilometers or miles? Miles? You're in a new club, right?
I know.
I've never been in that one. It's like Warp 9, right?
Yeah. All right, it's Star Trek too.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, look at this. So how do you like driving these things around? How do you like driving these things around?
I like driving them empty.
Come on, yeah, I can believe that. It's a camera.
Oh.
You're being filmed. See, I'm not just a weirdo walking around in hot black stuff. This kid thinks I'm nuts. Okay, where's it telling us to go? Keep following the road. Okay, we got to step through. Oh. What kind of gas mileage do you get?
What?
What kind of gas mileage?
This is Italy.
How many miles per gallon?
What?
65 miles, nice. 65 miles an hour, or 65 miles per gallon. That's not bad. And I gotta admit, we got a nice little honk back there. That was pretty cool. Okay, speed alert. And this guy's all the way from BC. Just take your spot and push them out is what you do. So how do you like riding in Los Angeles?
Oh, it's a little scary, but it's nice.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh, man.
I'm from Alberta.
Oh, nice.
scary, it's fun. It's every kid's dream. Know what I'm about to. This is the city of Los Angeles, so I'm gonna try to follow in behind some people, break the traffic for me. The doors, very cool. So hello, Wayne Newton. Okay. Robin Williams, very cool. Dinah Shore. William Shatner. Okay. I have to get this one. I'm a Trekkie.
Okay.
Very cool. This one's for you, Jim. Woo. Okay. Damn it, Jim. I'm just a doctor. Okay. Have you guys seen Steve McQueen? Ah, okay. Good way of getting rid of a crazy man. Okay. Heather Chamoy. Glenn Miller. Okay. The Munch Kids. Dick Powell, Robert. And what do we got here? We got your street side musicians. Accordion. I was almost forced to play the accordion when I was 10 years old. My mother never figured out for 6 months that I was never going, and I was just hiding my accordion behind the couch. And I could not see playing one of those squeeze boxes. But I now do know how to play the flute. I love playing the flute. It actually makes some pretty cool sounds. Security checking me out.